aspirants, so the biggest, happiest news have come, that is the mock round allotment cutoff is live. So from now onwards, you do not have to refer to the previous year cutoff data for making the choice filling list. You can refer to the 2025 data and how to make the most use of it and where to find up this particular thing. So my dear children, go to Comet K's official website. Over here you see counseling 2025. Please click on that. You see a list of notification and the first one popping right up there is engineering cutoff ranks mock round allotment notified on 22nd July. And for getting to know more about it, what you have to do? You have to click here. Now once you click here, you have a list of colleges up there, my dearest little children. So the first college we have is Acharya Institute of Technology, and in front of it you have two categories, General Merit and KKR. KKR stands for Kalyan Karnataka region, and for each course out there you will have two cutoff. So one will be for GM, one will be for KKR. So over here for Aeronautical Engineering in Acharya Institute, if you are a general merit student, the cutoff rank is 40,891. So your rank should be below this. Similarly, if you are a KKR child, then over here it should be within 88,648. So same thing goes for all the other courses. Over here we have AIML, 31,672 is the cutoff for what? GM. And 77,402 is the cutoff for what? KKR region. Children who want to study in what? Acharya Institute of Technology. I hope you're getting it. So in the similar manner, you will get the list for all the colleges. So at the top, you will have the course's name. So according to the letters A, B, C, D, they have been arranged. So you can find for that. And to make things really easy, what you can do for yourself is that, if at all you know what college are you searching for, okay, what you can do is you can just press on Ctrl F to find the college and put down the name of the college with all the spaces and the things like that. Over here I'll be showing you a demo. I was searching for RV College of Engineering. For that I have to type Ctrl F and I put R and V. So there is RV College of Engineering, there is RV Institute of Management and so many things. So over here anyways all of it comes together, it comes out to be 28 of them. So I just have to move up the cursor and down the cursor. Remember, the college would be segregated different places because the courses are all not listed together. So you have to do a bit of research, but it would be worth it. And you know what I found out is that, so over here we have RV College of Engineering, Mysore Road, with GM and KKR. So for GM category children, the cutoff was 336 for Computer Science and Engineering, as you can see over here, and it is 934 for KKR children, again for what? For Computer Science and Engineering. And the good part of the story, I do not know if I should say it now or not, but anyways, so if we compare it with 2024 data, for GM category children, the mock round allotment cutoff was 204. So this time the cutoff has slightly decreased, not a big reason to be happy, but we are human beings, we should be optimistic, right? We should be happy for good things. Remember, there are so many participants as well, so the competition would be obviously greatly increasing, but at least you will get an idea of how to make a proper choice filling list with the data available given to you by Comet K, not by me, by the Comet K. So same thing, my dear children, you can find for other courses in RV College itself. So 10,090 is the cutoff for what? Civil for GM children. 39,198 would be cutoff for what? KKR children. 592 would be cutoff for what? For Computer Science and Engineering with Cyber Security for GM, and 3,338 would be cutoff for KKR children. So in the same way, you can find all the colleges up there. The list is right up here in the website. Go check it out, and if at all you need our help, let us know in the comment section below. Okay, so wishing you all the best, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for getting all the updates. Bye bye, take care.